Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to add tap to cache to control center on iPhone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open control center. Long press on the empty space to enter edit mode. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the add a control option. This will open a list of available controls you can add to the control center. Scroll down and find the wallet section. Click on the tap to cache option. You can also rearrange and resize the icons as needed. Once you are satisfied with the changes, tap on the empty screen to exit edit mode. That's it. You can now access the tap to cache option directly from the control center. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.